Alright, y'all, here's the singer video that was requested. Yeah, I got we're gonna use it on high speed, and yeah, we'll get this done. But before that, I'm just gonna empty the sand out of the welcome mat. There's a little bit of grass clippings in it too, because lawn got mowed. But anyway, here we go. And there we have it, y'all. I would try it on hard floors, or I would do it on hard floors, but it just scatters. I know these things have a lot of airflow, but they don't have they tend to scatter when you get on hard floors. So yeah. But anyway, that's it for this one. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And yeah, until next time, bye y'all.